Hello everyone. Welcome to PKS Training's brief and short session where we explain a .NET concept. First, a short introduction to PKS Trainings. We provide market and job specific trainings on basic .NET and advanced programming skill sets. Our trainers have over 15 years of real-time market experience. Today's topic is globalization. Globalization is the process of creating an application that meets the needs of users from multiple languages. This process involves translating the user interface elements of an application into multiple languages using the correct currency, date, and time format, calendar, writing direction, such as from right to left or left to right, sorting rules, and other issues. In Microsoft.NET Framework, using classes from the System.Globalization namespace, you can set the application's current culture, and much of the work is done automatically for you. Okay. In Microsoft.NET Framework, there are three approaches using which you can globalize your applications for the world. First one, detect and redirect approach. In this approach, we create a separate web application for each supported language and then detect the user's language and redirect the request to the appropriate application. This approach is best for applications with lots of text content that requires translation and few executable components. The next approach is runtime adjustment approach. In this approach, we create a single web application that detects the user's language and adjusts output at runtime using format specifiers and other tools. This approach is best for simple applications that present limited amounts of content. The third approach, satellite assemblies approach. In this approach, we create a single web application that stores current language-dependent strings in resource files that are compiled into satellite assemblies. At runtime, detect the user's language and load strings from the appropriate assembly. This approach is best for applications that generate content at runtime or that have large executable components. One example that comes to my mind for satellite assemblies approach would be companies that have applications to cater businesses such as Salesforce.com. Detect and redirect approach might be helpful for banks such as Chase.com. They can customize or have different types of websites for different geographies. Now let's look at a demo in .NET, Visual Studio.NET, to get users' culture or language at runtime. Here we have a simple web ASP.NET application with one form, web form1.aspx. On this web form, we have a label which we have renamed to LBL message. Now let's go to the webform1.aspx.cs file. Note here we have on the page load, the first time the page is displayed, we get the user's preferred language, and that preferred language is then displayed in the message, LBL message.txt. Important thing to note here is that we're using the System.Globalization namespace. Let's go ahead and run this. On my machine, I have English United States, EN-US, set as my locale or language, and that is what it displays here. For more important concepts and interview questions, see my blog www.developertrainings.blogpost.com. For training schedules, see site www.sites.google.com/sites/PKS trainings. You can also email us at pkstrainings@gmail.com. Thank you.